All right, boys and girls, this is an at-home jump box. This battery is a tremendous battery. They use it for generators. So, I picked this up off a friend of mine. It's a used battery. It's in good shape. What they do is, after so many years, they cycle the battery out. And they send it back to get refurbished. So, I suggest you guys that have a lot of vehicles at home with 12-volt batteries, forget the jump boxes. They go bad after 3-4 years. They really do. This thing will last you 10 years, if not longer, the way it's set up. Obviously, positive, negative. What I got this is a little 6-amp portable battery charger. Most important thing with these batteries, I guess you call them open cell. Check the water at least twice a year. Pop these caps open and you can check the water level. There's an actual way to check the acid in the water, but that's something else. So we got our little charger there. And then, believe it or not, I found this wire in the dumpster. So I found this thing in the dumpster. But this thing will start anything. It's made to start an 18-wheeler. So, just wanted to share that with you. You got a lot of equipment in your house. I mean, yeah, this thing ain't portable. That battery's like 85 pounds. But you put it in plastic, so if the battery itself develops a crack, it's only going to end up in the Tupperware. Put it on a dolly so it's maneuverable. And then I got really lucky and found 25-foot wire in the dumpster. It had the plug end on it, like for an electric forklift, like to plug into a the front of a tow truck. But I cut that off, put my battery terminals on it. Have a nice day. All right, boys and girls. Hope this helps you. It's just another little project. Got to get one last shot. It's all packaged up. Let me just lay the cover on it if we can find it. A little rope. I need both hands, but you get the point. Oh, that's tight. There you go. That's it. It's all sealed up. You don't got to worry about it. You can put something on top of it as long as it's not too heavy. So, yeehaw.